Greetings, YouTube. Strange sounds fill the morning. Loud explosions in the distance. Cool Dog got startled during the filming of the last video. We'll have to try that one again. Wow, strange noises in the distance. What the hell? Whoa. Are you kidding me, boy? It's the morning of strange sounds and weird noises. And don't ask me what makes that noise. The one little beep beep thing was some machinery off in the distance. The whistly sounds, I don't know. The loud woo 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 sound, I don't know what makes that. Something from the woods made that sound. Something unknown. If the sound's picked up on camera, be sure to let me know in the comments below, because I don't really watch these videos back. Blog over, dude.